workout number 2. This is my bar. It's a 35-pound bar. Come look at the bar. It's a 35-pound bar.
Doesn't move.
It's a, whatever. It's 35 pounds. Put plates on. 35. 25. And 10. Clip. 35. 25. And 10. So for my front squat, that is 175. Add the two together. I have the timer set to an 8-minute count. So my camera person is going to stop or yell at me at the 3-minute mark. Thank you, camera person. Ready?
Yeah. 3-minute mark. 3-minute mark. I'm letting you know.
Ready?
3-minute mark. I'll yell.
Yep. So. Three, 175. I'm going to give 180 a whirl, so I'm adding 2.5 pounds. Here we go. Plus, if you're on this one. Let me go 120.
I'm trying not to talk because I'm the cameraman. I gotta be legit.
I don't think it's only
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift it. You got it. One more. You got it. One more. Get it up. There you go. Watch. Yeah. Right. Good job.
maybe we'll try running this time. Because we have
You got a minute left. Are you gonna get it?
so took the 10 and 2.5 on. Playing on 15.
You have 1 minute before the 3-minute break.
Yep. We'll give it a shot. Probably not gonna happen.
Confidence is key. 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Give it 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1, go. That was nothing. You got one more. Come on. Get it up. Get it up. Atta girl. Good job.
So, now I have till 8 minutes to get this complex. So I'm going to start with 1 on 5. Just to warm up. See one here to show that it's just 35 on.
Yep, that one.
So, 1 clean and 2 hand cleans.
Good job.
How many time?
4 minutes. Just at the 4-minute mark.
Putting tens on the bar. 125. One clean and 2 hand cleans.
Good job. Looking good.
I'm going to check the towel. Putting 15s on. So we're doing 135.
5.5 minute mark. Good job.
135.
Good job. You have 1:45. Looking good.
Putting tens on to 155.
155? You got it. You got it. Get it up. There you go.
155.
You have 30 seconds left.
Two and a half. So my tightest
7:40 right now. You have 20 seconds. Here we go. Wow.